Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Settings. Navigate to Security or Lock Screen and Password immediately. Tap the entry to begin. This is where Oppo centralizes lock options. Once there, choose the type of screen lock you want. Pattern for speed, PIN for simplicity, or password for stronger protection. Make sure to read any prompts about encryption or device admin. They explain why your lock matters for privacy and app security. Now proceed to select your preferred lock method and follow the on-screen setup prompts. You'll now create the actual lock. Draw the pattern or type the PIN/password when prompted. Enter it carefully. Accuracy here prevents lockout. Once done, confirm by re-entering the same code or pattern so the system verifies consistency. After confirmation, the phone may offer biometric options, enable fingerprint or face unlock for faster access, but keep a backup PIN or password. These steps ensure both convenience and recovery. Make sure to note recovery instructions that appear before you finish the setup. Finish by reviewing lock screen details. Set auto lock timeout, notification visibility, and whether secure lock is required on reboot. Press the power button to test the lock immediately. Unlock with your chosen method to confirm it works reliably. If something goes wrong, like forgetting the PIN, use your Oppo account recovery or the device's official recovery flow. Avoid third-party tools. If biometrics fail, use the backup password you set. These final checks prevent surprises and keep your phone secure without losing access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.